Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss about tree topology. For tree topology, first click on the network devices, then on bottom side we are having router switches available, then click on switch 295024 switches. Now click on end devices, connect one PC to each switches for experiment. After that, click on the devices wires. The first wire is automatically choose connection type. Then first connect the switches. Then connect switch with the PC. You can connect multiple PC with the switch, but for just simulation point of view, we can just take example of one PC with the one switch. Now assign the IP address to different PC. Click on this one, desktop IP configuration. This is the first IP address to first PC. It automatically assigns the subnet mask of class C. Then click on this one. Five. The last PC is PC 6 number. So assign 1.6. For our experiment, if we want to send packet from one PC to other PC, then in case of the tree topology, how packets move from one device to other device. So using the simulation, we can check this. This is simulation. Now take example of the PDU. click on this PC10 to PC13. So click on this. So make it move from PC10 to switch 7, then from switch 7 to switch 5, from switch 5 to switch 4, from switch 6, then the last one is the PC13. The intended device is PC13. So packet move from PC10 to PC13. We can take other example. Now PC11, PC12, PC11 to PC12. Now, so packet move from PC11 to switch, connected switch, switch number 8, then switch number 5, then from switch number 5 to switch 4, from switch 4 to switch 6. Ultimately, PC12 is connected with the switch 9, so packet move from switch 6 to switch 9 and to the last PC, that is PC12. So in this way, the packet move from one device to another device using the different connected switches in case of the tree topology. So we have take the example of the simulations when we send the packet from one device to other device. So this is the experiment related to the tree topology. Thank you, students.